In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in gold and silver using Wealthsimple Trade. If you haven't opened a Wealthsimple Trade account, you can get a $10 sign-up bonus by visiting the link in the description box below. Also, I invite you to check out my review of EQBank. It's a savings account that pays 1.5% interest with no fees. So yeah, check out my review. It will take you to my website. And so that's better than 0% on a typical bank. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. And so the first one, we're going to do gold first. And so to invest in gold, just click the handlets button on the upper right corner of the screen. Then search name or symbol. Just click HUG. Then as you can see here, Horizons Gold ETF, and then click it. As you can see here, HUG is trading at $15. And so how this works is that HUG move as the same price as the actual gold price. And so if the gold goes up by 10%, HUG will also go up by 10%. But with if gold goes down by 10%, HUG will also go down by 10%. And so it just mimics the price, the actual real price of gold. And so as evidence of this one, let us check the 1-year returns of HUG. And then as you can see here on the screen, in the past year, HUG goes up by 23%. And so the actual gold price, as you can see here on the screen, the actual gold price in the 1 year, so you can see here in the middle of the screen, 1 year, the actual gold price in the past year is up 27%. HUG is up 23%, and so it's almost the same. And the reason for that is because it mimics it. And the reason that it's not exactly the same is because of the US dollar to Canadian dollar exchange. So yeah, and then another example is 1 month, in the past 30 days, HUG goes down by 2.84%, and the actual gold goes down by 1.83%. And so it's almost the same, but the only reason is because of the US to Canadian dollar exchange. And so the reason that we are choosing HUG is because it's on Canadian dollars. On Wealthsimple Trade, if it's Canadian dollars, it has no fees. But if we buy a gold in US dollars, we are going to be charged 1.5% fee. And so that's the reason here. And so how do you do it is that click buy, and then next. And so it depends on you how many shares you buy. One share is $15.72. If you want to invest $150 in gold, click 10 shares. 10 shares of HUG is $157. And so if you want to invest like $500 and then you can buy 30 shares. 30 shares is investing $470 in gold. So yeah, it depends on you how much you're going to invest in gold. And then click continue, and that's that. And then the second example is how to buy a silver. Just click the handlets button here, HUZ for silver. Just wait a little bit. As you can see here, click it, Horizon Silver ETF. And then if the price of silver goes up by 10%, the price of HUZ will also goes up by 10%. If the price of silver, the actual silver, goes down by 10%, the HUC will also go down by 10%. And then the exchange rate fee will, yeah, So yeah, it's the same. And as proof of that, 1 year returns, HUC goes up by 34% in the past year. The actual silver price is at 41%. And so they both goes up a lot. The only reason that it's not exactly the same is because of the US and Canadian conversion. And so in the last year, Canadian dollar has been weaker in compared to US dollars. I think last year it was at 1.25. Right now it's around 1.3, 1.31 or something. So yeah, that's the reason for that. But it's almost the same as as the as silver. And so to invest in silver, just click buy. Next. And so it depends on you how much you are putting in. If you buy 10 shares of HUZ, it means investing $120 in silver. And so if you want to buy like 100 shares, that's 1,200 in silver. And so what they do is they store the silver for you, the HUZ, in exchange for a small fee of 0.4% a year or 0.7%, around that. So yeah, that's how you invest in gold and silver using Wealthsimple Trade. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below. Thank you.